Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we still sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have a review on the new Peach Arum. And yeah, this is from Brown Girl Jane. I've never smelled any of their fragrances. So let's get into this baby right here, shall we? Yeah, let's. So versatility. Do I think this fragrance is versatile? I don't think so. Like, I think when we get into the colder months, this, to me, I feel like we'll get lost in the sauce. Like, when we get to those seasons, do I feel like this could pair well with another fragrance that's heavier for those colder seasons? Yeah, sure. I feel like this can be a good pair, but like versatility, it just didn't give me a lot of versatility, in my opinion. Occasion. So where would I wear this to? Oh my goodness, something fun. Like, do they have Peach Fest or something somewhere? Like, I feel like this would be like a total fun, free out shopping, errands, anything like that. I feel like this is so fun. This is definitely like carnival season. I would wear this to maybe even a family reunion coming up. Just something fun, an outdoor event, just free. Now, you know, we'll get into it, but just be careful for the bees, girl. But I feel like something picnic, fun space, this fragrance would do well. Now, packaging. What do I think about the packaging? I don't have the packaging. I have the packaging of the travel size, but I have seen the packaging. It's really nice. I do like the kind of plush pink type of scent, or nudie type of pink nude type of bottle. It's so good. Very simplistic. It's like a round top, very small, compact. I do love the packaging for sure. Now, pricing. So this pricing is going to run you $102 if you go to Sephora and get this, or you can go straight to their site to get this, but they might even have some deals, so you might even get it less cost than that. Now, does this lean more feminine or masculine? If you like a good peach scent mint, I could feel like you would wear this, but I really do feel like this leans more like a playful women, feminine. But if you, again, do not mind getting out of your woodsy, manly man type of scent, then maybe explore this if you do like a good peach note type of scent. Now, launch. This was launched this year, so 2026. So let's get into the notes. So notes, we have peach, Bellini, we have orange, blood orange. Middle notes, we have butterscotch, almond blossom, magnolia. We have bourbon vanilla, sandalwood, and we have some cashmere musk. So we got all the deets out the way. Let's get into my real thoughts on this fragrance. Now, fam, do I love this fragrance? Yes, honey, let's just cut the tape. Love at first sniff, love at first spray, love at first everything. Like, this peach aura, like, I see why you all are hyping this up, loving it so much. It is everything. It is the Bellini. It is the peach. It is all the things that you want your tropical vacation to be about. What you want your, like, your day out on the beach, sunsets, you just, on your porch, chilling, like running. It's just every day for this spring, summer is what you want this to be. Like, this is, if I were to say a scent for the season, this is it, okay? This is your spring, summer scent for the season, okay? Girl, somebody had the nerve to say it was Power You. I just don't know. Peach Aura is that thing. I need to get a full bottle for sure, right? I'm trying to wait till my birthday comes, so I'm not trying to buy a fragrance until June. My birthday comes up before I purchase, because someone may purchase this for me. If they don't, I will be buying this for my birthday. So I'm trying to wait to see if I'm going to get a full bottle of this. But if not, it is okay, because this will be in my collection before the summer ends. For sure. This is so good. This will be my first Brown Girl Jane fragrance. Actually, this has made me want to explore the house more. I have not gotten into it. I've heard them or heard about them. You know your girl loves watching The View. So you know your girl likes, that's my news. If I don't know about it, because it wasn't on The View. Just like I didn't know about the penny thing. But was that on The View? Because I missed that episode. Girl, why did I know that they wasn't making no more pennies? I didn't know that we weren't making no more pennies. But, okay, we ain't got no pennies. If you didn't know, pennies gone. They're not making no more pennies. So hold on to your pennies. Don't hold on to your pennies. If you don't care, then you don't care because you wasn't using cash anyway. You was using your Apple Pay and all the other pays and stuff like that. But girl, is it giving you that they really are controlling our dollars and how we spend? We're not going to get into that. Anyway, Brown Girl Jane, I'm getting this in my collection. This is amazing. I love this down. So good. So fruity. The only thing is I wish that this would last even longer. Like, oh my God, it is so good. I just want it to stay on my body. Now it does give me a good length of time, like a 4 or 5 hours. So I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad that I would have to re-up on it. Not mad at all. But ooh, do I wish that this could stay on my body. I do smell it after the 4 or 5 hour mark, but you have to put your nose in it. You gotta put your nose in it. I just wish it would stand out a little bit more. That would be the only thing. But other than that, girl, love it first sniff, love it down. I'm going to get me my full bottle like everybody else in the world. And I hope it's not sold out by the time I, wait till June. Please, y'all, give me a break. At least leave one for me, okay? But what have you all thought about the new Brown Girl Jane Peach Aura? Okay, do you like it? Do you not? Have you enjoyed it? Oh my goodness, it is so good. Oh, I just smell it. It just gives me carnival fun free. It's like where I want to be. Yeah, this is who I want to be for the summer. Honey, having fun. Okay, and the girls is outside. I've had somebody else tell me they outside. Okay, now I hope y'all walking, because that gas is costing some cost. So I don't know how outside we gonna be. I never rode on Spirit, but Spirit is gone because, honey, they couldn't afford that gas. Okay, and I understand it. So I don't know how much outside I'm gonna be, but if y'all gonna be outside, I'm gonna live through y'all eyes outside on the social. Okay, come on outside. But if y'all outside, take this with you because this is really good. Your sis said it. It's very good. All right. Well, until next time, you all make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content and a good old laugh with your sis. All right. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, you better tell them. Yo, sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.